Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with Tuner Crate, it's a monthly subscription for car guys and girls, guys like me. But they also have one for the ladies. I get the top of the line mystery crate, which comes with all the good things that they send. It's roughly, I think, like $60 a month, but if you use my code, you can get 50% off. I don't really get anything from it other than like 20% off mine. I don't get the 50% off, and you know, it's getting frustrating too, as this just came today, end of the month. Before, I was getting these things for the last year. I was getting them at the beginning of the month, which was awesome. I was one of the first people probably getting it, so I can display it on my YouTube channel. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I wish I was, but you know, companies got to make their money. So if you're not familiar with it's Illuminati is the theme this month, so they're starting to change their boxes up as well. Unfortunately, mine got damaged in shipping because the post office and the mail people here suck. It's horrible. You can check out my other videos where they're actually, you know, throwing my mail where it says fragile on it and stuff like that. So City of Angels is a car show. I'm not in California, so these do me absolutely no good. Nice. So you've got the NSXR. These are all the different possibilities that you could have gotten. What I get this for, not the car little extra stuff, but I get it for the shirts, which this is awesome because the sweatshirt winter, and on the back, car season is here. Sorry I haven't been posting much. I've been extremely busy working on my car most of the time on weekends when I get the free time. So now you got the Jay Leno Garage quick detailer. I think the last one was soap, but I don't remember. I'd have to actually go back and look at the video myself. Then of course the coveted blinker fluid. I definitely needed this. My blinker fluid has been low for a while. I can recharge it, especially considering that I just got LED lighting, underbody, interior, rope lighting. Like, I got a ton of stuff for my car. Carbon fiber steering wheel, ordered a carbon fiber duckbill spoiler, the Z-Speed underguard for the front, a bunch of stuff. Like, let's put it that way. Next thing we got is, so you will be seeing more car videos coming up this summer once I get the car on the road. And then on the back, I like this design. You can hear my Rottweiler outside Pepper. Then you've got the Illuminati, and then you've got all these stickers, which I love the stickers. I've been slapping them on my garage. So then you got the plain. So I guess you can get these in different colors. I don't mind black, except the fact is it's already now covered in dog hair. It's only a matter of minutes. As you can see, my nosy Rottweiler, because this is her couch and this is where we do all the unboxings for my pups. So the next thing that it comes with is you've got the Tuner Crate on one side, Illuminati on the other. So you have that. Then you have the spray for the detailer. You've got the keychain that I'll never use, but you've got your turbo. You got your monthly tuner membership sticker. You've got a different, or is this the membership sticker? I don't know. One of them is the membership sticker. One's just the other sticker that it comes with. They also added the two different cars on there. And finally, you have actually two things. You have your air freshener, and then you have the poster. Eventually I need to put these up on my wall in my garage. I have a ton of these, a growing collection. All I've been doing is throwing the stickers up on my garage, which I have a growing collection of those because I haven't been putting them up lately. So like I said, I've been doing a lot to my car. So this car season is going to be awesome. I plan on going to a lot more shows this year, so stay tuned for those videos coming this summer. And I got a new 360 camera that I have to try out at the next car show and the next cruise, whatever the next car event is. I'm going to try to bring it along and make use of it and see how it works out. But again, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Check them out. Whatever the recommended videos that YouTube sends is going to show up in right here. So again, thank you for watching, and take care.